Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're beginning by preparing and taking the first active steps now. Start by confirming ventilation and personal protection, because safety matters when solvents or dust are present. Next, test a small hidden area to identify whether paint is water-based, oil, or old alkyd, and then select a chemical stripper, heat gun, or coarse sanding accordingly. Finally, apply the chosen method to a small section, scrape or lift softened paint immediately, so you see how the wood responds before proceeding. Once the initial area behaves as expected, continue with focused removal techniques. If using a chemical stripper, apply thin even coats and wait the product's dwell time, then scrape gently to avoid gouging. Use a nylon brush for crevices. If choosing heat, keep the gun 6 to 8 inches away and move steadily to soften paint without burning the wood, then scrape. For stubborn residues, sand with the grain starting coarse and progressively finer to restore a smooth surface while minimizing damage. To finish, remove any remaining residue by wiping with mineral spirits or a mild detergent solution and allow the wood to dry completely because moisture traps finish. Next, repair small gouges with compatible wood filler, sand smooth with fine grit, and apply your chosen stain or top coat. If paint or stain stains the grain, try a targeted gel stripper or an oxalic acid wash on a test area. If that fails, accept light bleaching or consider replacing the damaged piece as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.